Alright everyone, let's get this video run for Eric. He's got this used Delta cart, and we've got a whole stack of discs, 14 discs in this one. Someone's getting a hell of a Christmas gift right here. Alright, we've got a 1 through 50. Let's get a start time. $4.52. We got 5 pages of PayPal. There's 1. There's 2. 3. 4. And 5. Oh, let's get a fresh tab for random. Alright, there's the green lock. It's secure. Refreshed. Alright, we got a 1 through 50. Alright, good luck everyone. Winner's going to be 49. 1 off the bookend. There's your winner, 453. 453. Let's see who got number 49. 49 is going to be Mr. Robert Smith. Congratulations, Robert. I see you were pretty deep in this one. Good win, dude. Let's get an end statement. End time coming in at 4:53. 4:53. Thanks, everyone.